Excuse me? Oh my god. It is not too much, it is just the perfect amount. I wear this so much on almost everyday basis. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipsticks in 5 different colors, and I have picked best of the lot shades for this video so that you guys get an idea which shades to buy in this lipstick range. Also, I have bought some of these lipsticks from Nykaa and some of them from here in Australia from Mecca store. Now, I tried these lipsticks a little late because I felt that 2100 for a lipstick, for a liquid lipstick, is quite a lot, because you can get some good liquid lipsticks in 1000 to 1200 range. Like 2100 rupees just for one liquid lipstick is quite bit pricey in my opinion. So I stayed away from these lipsticks for quite a while, but once I tried one of these lipsticks, I so much loved this. So I tried some other shades and I love them as well, and that made me buy like 5 different shades in this lipstick range. The formula of these lipstick is super comfortable. They doesn't dry out your lips. If you're gonna prep your lips, it will be super good. Otherwise, also being a liquid lipstick, it won't dry out your lips. And also these lipsticks are pretty long lasting. Like, I'm very impressed by their longevity, because these stays for a good 6 to 7 hours on your lips, and even if you have your food, these don't fade away, which is the best part I like about these lipsticks, because generally when we apply any lipstick, they just start fading away when we eat something or drink something. But with these lipsticks, like, I have worn these to a party, had my food, drinks, whatsoever, came back, and these lipsticks were intact like that. So I can really vouch on the quality of these lipsticks. Since these lipsticks are super long lasting, it's not that easy to get rid of these lipsticks, so you have to use a makeup remover. And the makeup which I use to remove these lipsticks is the Neutrogena oil free eye makeup remover. This is how its bottle looks like. And I generally don't like oil-based makeup remover because I just feel that they makes my skin very oily, and then sometimes I have to use my face wash twice to get rid of that oil. So this is an oil-free makeup remover. It easily removes this lipstick, and in fact this is one of my favorite makeup remover. So yeah, these lipsticks can be removed by using this makeup remover very easily. So I have got some pink, peach tones, purple tones, red, and one of the nude shades as well to show you guys in this video. So if you are interested in watching the swatches, application, and my reviews about this color, then please continue to watch this video until the end. Okay, so I'll start with one of the most popular shade, which I'm pretty sure most of you have already heard about this color. It's called the Driver's Seat. This one is a peachy shade with a hint of pink in it. And this one is the first lipstick I picked from this range, and I kind of liked it. At first I found it a little bit drying, but after a while I figured out how to use these lipsticks at the best. Just prep your lips a little bit with the lip balm and you'll be sorted. It won't dry your lips at all, and it will stay intact all day. So like I said, this is the first lipstick that I bought from Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick range, and it's been a year now, or I think more than a year, and this hasn't dried out, or I didn't feel any issues with the lipstick. It's still so good. It has thickened a little bit from the time I bought it. So this is a very pretty shade, and it can go on all brown skin tones. It might not look very flattering on deeper skin tones, but on wheatish skin tones it goes really well. So this is a shade I really like. I won't say I love this shade, but yeah, if you like peachy shades, then this one is something you can definitely try. Now moving on to the next lipstick, which is called Gulabi. It's again a very pretty and popular shade. If you love pink nude colors, then this could be the perfect color for you. I just wear this color on daily basis and as well as special occasions, because it just goes on every outfit, on any dress, no matter what you're wearing, what type of makeup you have applied, and especially if you have done heavy eye makeup, then this color will go so well. So you can see how pretty is this color. This is like a perfect pink shade, and this color might be looking very light right now, but trust me, it's not that light. It can go very well on wheatish skin tones, and if you feel that this color is looking a little bit light on you, like it's washing off your complexion, then you can definitely wear it with a lip liner. You can use the MAC lip liner in the shade Soar and it's gonna complement this color really well. Now if you are confused between these two lipsticks which one to buy, then I would say that if you are a fan of pink based nude shades, then go for Gulabe. If you like peachy tones more, then go for Driver's Seat. Both these lipsticks are equally good. I'm sure you won't regret buying either of these. But if you ask me my preference, I would choose Gulabe because I'm a fan of like pink based nude shades. So I would pick Gulabe any day over Driver's Seat. So the next shade is called Big Spender. This shade again has pink tones but also more of purple tones in it. I haven't seen a lot of people talking about this color, but this is such a beautiful shade. You can see this is such a pretty shade. You can see it has got some purple tones in this shade, but it is not too much. It is just the perfect amount. If you love these lipsticks, then this is one of those shades you must try.
So this is another shade called Audition. I got this mini lipstick as a free gift from Nykaa after buying other lipsticks, and you can clearly see this shade is very light for my complexion.
Oh my god. I can't even see my lips in this color. Like, I hope you can clearly see the reason now why I don't like this color at all. It just washes off my face. I feel that my lips have just disappeared when I wear this lipstick. I don't know what sort of color is this and on whom it's gonna look nice. I was not even feeling like to do a swatch of this one, but just to show you guys that please do not buy this color called Audition in this lipstick. This color is like not at all worth buying. And now moving on to the last color of this video, which is a very pretty red color. This shade is called Boss and this is again a very popular red color in this range. So this is not the full size lipstick. If you will see, the full size lipsticks comes in this type of packaging, but I got this one from Nykaa just for 690 rupees. There was some offer running at that time on Nykaa, so I just grabbed this one and I got the mini version of this lipstick because generally we don't wear red lipsticks that often, and all of my red lipsticks just keep on lying because I just use them very occasionally. So I thought of picking the mini version. And now without any further ado, let's just apply this color. Alright, so that was the last lipstick shade in my collection. Also, like I said, that the quality of these lipsticks is of top notch, so you can definitely try these lipsticks. And with that, we have come to an end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found my video helpful. Also, please do not forget to hit the like button if you like my video, and also consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. If I'm not wrong, this could be my last video for this year, so I will see you guys next year soon. Until then, wish you all a very happy new year. See you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.